Spiders like hanging out in dark, quiet areas in your home. Here are a few tips to keep these creepy crawlies away. 1. Seal entry points. Spiders can only sneak inside if they can find an opening. Check for and seal cracks and gaps in walls, the roof, and near windows and doors. 2. Eliminate food sources. Spiders won't stick around if they can't find a food source. That means you need to keep bugs like ants and flies away. Keep your home dry, clean, and crumb-free to help. 3. Clean up clutter. A messy space provides spiders with more hiding spots. Keep your home organized and free of clutter. 4. Keep your garage clean. Garages don't have a lot of traffic, which spiders love. Things like scattered tools and boxes give spiders a place to hide. 5. Clean your yard. Leaves, wood, tall grass, and yard debris act as shelter for spiders. Take the time to clean your yard to avoid attracting these pests. 6. Eliminate moisture. Spiders need moisture, so keep your home dry. Eliminate standing water in your home and yard. 7. Use warm-hued light bulbs. Though spiders prefer dark areas, bugs like bright lights. So swap your white lights for yellow bulbs to help reduce bug activity. 8. Knock down spider webs. Use a broom or vacuum to knock down any spider webs you find. This will discourage them from returning to the area. 9. Plant spider-repelling plants. Some plants have fragrances that naturally repel pests. To keep spiders away, try adding a peppermint plant to your home. 10. Use a plant-based insecticide dust. For long-lasting protection, you can use a plant-based insecticide dust like our spider and insect dust. For more helpful tips and pest information, be sure to follow us and visit our website, maggiesfarmproducts.com.